Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the support screw on your freezer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit, a flathead screwdriver, and a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is open up our freezer drawer. And we've got to remove the 2 screws that are holding the door on here. And now that those screws are off, we can just lift up on the door and it'll pull right off. And the next thing we need to do is remove these 2 bin stoppers here. And in order to get it off, what I'm doing is I'm twisting up like so, and that should free it. And same thing on this side, I'm just gonna twist this up, and if you need to, just get a flathead screwdriver, wedge it in there, and give yourself a little bit of help there. So now that the stoppers are out, we can remove this top drawer here, and we're just going to pull it all the way to the end and tilt it and take it out. So you'll see on the bottom here, we've got this support and we've got a screw missing out of that. We also have the exact same support and screws on the very bottom of the bottom drawer here. So keep that in mind. It's the same screws and the same support, so if something breaks or is damaged, it'll be the same thing there. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to use a VT20 star bit in order to screw this screw back down, and that's nice and tight now. So now we can put the top drawer back in, and when you do this, keep in mind there are 2 sets of wheels. The wheels that are raised up higher are going to go towards the back, and we're just going to line up that wheel with the track, make sure everything lines up, set it in there. There we go. Now we're going to push that back, and now we can replace the stoppers. And all we have to do is just line it up, push it straight back in. And now we're going to line up these 2 round tabs here with the slots that are in the front of the drawer slide. And once those are lined up, set it down in there. And now we can screw it back into place. And now that we've got it screwed back into place, we can close our drawer, and your repair is complete. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can't tune a fish. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.